Hello everyone, in today's lessons we are going to explore one of the most respected tools in technical analysis, the Fibonacci retracement, focusing especially on the powerful 50% retracement zone. This level is widely used by traders because the price often corrects to the region before continues the trend, alright? So the Fibonacci retracement, guys, help us to identify potential corrections zone within the trend. But James, we are using that like the 1 year bands to get reverts or the others things about the climax. Yeah, but you can use the Fibonacci too, right? While Fibonacci has several levels, 50 zone, 35 zone, and the most respected trades around the world. Why? Because after a strong move in the market often pull back halfway before continuing the regional retraction. So the market 50 level hyperbole areas for reaction, the trend continuation, right? So identifying a strong movement on the chart. This can be a strong bullish impulse or strong bearish here. Okay, just get the instruction and make the zero. Get the lowest point or the highest point on that. Apply the Fibonacci tool like this from the beginning to the end of the move. In an uptrend, draw from the swing low to the swing high, the highest point or the lowest point. In the downtrend, draw this for swing high to the swing low, okay? And then focus on the 50% retracement zone. This area where the price often pause, reacts, or reverse temporarily. That is all 100%, no, but that is its most effective, okay? Wait for the rejection or reaction with that from the price. You need to look for reject candle, long wick, okay? A small body showing hesitation, like the first toad, the second toad, the third toad, and get revert. You need to pay attention to this, okay? These signals confirm that the market, you respect the 50% level, okay? That line. When you have the situation, that's respecting this. So pay attention on this part, okay? And then what you need to wait for this, enter in the direction of the trend, all right? For example, in an uptrend, after reaction at 50%, enter call option. Hey, do you want to join a group where share signals and strategy that really work? And the best part, it's completely free. Then listen up. In my free group, I share various strategies, insights, and live operations, 100% real and transparent. I will never ask you for money and won't spend anything to join, alright? Want to learn how to earn more with operations? Click the link in the description or the first pinned comment and join the group now. See you there, guys. Okay, in a downtrend, after reaction at 50%, enter the put option. Okay, you need to wait for the totes. When you got the tote with that, you just need to wait, right? Just imagine like this: the markets makes a strong bullish movement. You apply the Fibonacci as I said for you to do, from the bottom to top, okay, of the move. Price then pulls back and totes the 50 line. A bullish rejecting candle form with a long wick. That's your confirmation. Okay, you enter the call option expecting the trend to continue an upward. Okay, so in a downtrend, the same logics apply, guys. That's very simple. Price pulls back to the 50 level, forms bearish rejecting candle, and you enter the put option. Okay, so just to recap, that's very fast. And then find a strong move. Apply the Fibonacci from start to end as explained for you. Focus on the 50% retracement zone. Wait for a reaction candle like this, enter in the direction of the trend. Hey, wait a minute. How about competing for a 100 account to test the strategy I taught in the video? It's simple. Leave a positive comment and join my Telegram group through the link in the description. Let's make the most of it. Alright? And that's it, guys. You need to remember Fibonacci retracement strategy is simple. You can use another lines, yeah, but the 50% is necessary to use for the retracement, right? And that's extremely effective, and that's pretty good. And that's all for this video, guys. If you just like this, hit the like button, please. Share the link with your friends, subscribe to the channel, and write your opinion in the comments, please. Alright? Wish good profit, good operation, and have a good day. See you around. Bye-bye.